Hello KFM Gala, welcome back to our channel. Favorite niyo ba ang pastry? So today, dito sa Yamanashi, we're gonna tour you sa isang famous bakery shop. Tara, pasok tayo dito sa Levant. Dito sa bakery nila, they have different varieties of pastries. So dito sa aisle na to, you will see and you will find yung mga savory kinds nila. They have flatbreads, they have sandwiches, they have gourmet sandwiches. And dito naman sa aisle na to, order sweet. They have also different kinds of muffins. They have mocha muffins. Chocolate muffins with cream on top. They have also savory sponge cakes. They have baguettes, freshly baked, chocolate chip muffins, raisin muffins, and other cakes. Ito naman, it reminds me of Komori. How cute. They also have donuts, round donuts. They also have bagel. Sa dami ng food choices here, you won't get wrong. Ay nako, sara na naman ang diet ko.